Hi guys, you might know from the title what this video is about. Today I'm sharing my little skincare routine and an exciting unboxing. So recently I became a Medicube Ambassador and I was honestly so excited when this welcome gift arrived. I could not wait to open it and share it with you all, but before we dive into the PR goodies, let me show you the skincare I'm using today. I recently purchased this Anua toner. It feels so refreshing and hydrating, and I'll definitely share a full review soon. Also, I'm using the Marry and Make cream, which gives a smooth, glowy finish perfect for everyday use. I feel like it really locks in hydration, especially after toner, and make my skin soft all day. And of course, my sunscreen from House of Hur, lightweight, non-sticky, and perfect for daily use. I love that it protects my skin without feeling heavy or greasy. I always feel like starting with these three really sets the more for my skincare routine, and my skin feels so happy and ready for everything else. Also, if you want to collab, check my YouTube account. My email is there, so you can direct mail me without any hesitation. I'm always open to new opportunity and love connecting with brand and creator. And now let's move on to the Medicube welcome gift they sent me as a part of becoming a Medicube Ambassador. I was honestly so excited to receive this. So yeah, let's open it. First, the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. So cute and lightweight. Can't wait to see how it brightens and nourishes my skin. And the Medicube Collagen Jelly Mask. Love the texture, perfect for plumping and hydrated skin. And the April Skin Peel Off Pack. Fun to use and perfect for self-care night. And the next one, April Skin Toning Shot. Super refreshing, and I'm excited for the brightening effect. And the next one is also from Medicube. It's Medicube Collagen Night Wrap Mask. It comes with a handy silicone brush to apply it evenly. And the next is also from April Skin, which has BHA, Zinc Niacinamide, which target acne, reduce excess oil, and improve skin clarity. And the next, Medicube Kojic Acid Turmeric Pack with Kojic Acid and Turmeric, brightens skin and help even out tone. And the last, also from April Skin, it's cleansing balm, gentle makeup remove that discover impurities without drying the skin. And yes, this is the last Medicube jelly brush, a silicone brush designed to apply mask evenly, especially the Collagen Night Wrap Mask for a smooth and hygienic application. So that's everything I got from Medicube and April Skin. I'm so grateful for this goodie and can't wait to try everything and share my results. If you want to become a Medicube Ambassador, you can apply through my link tree. Thank you so much Medicube for sending me this amazing welcome gift, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Take care everyone. See you in my next video very soon.